Today I discuss about the condition of zero voltage regulation. First I draw a phasor diagram of transformer at leading power factor condition. Okay, so here figure number 1 is the phasor diagram of a transformer at leading power factor. Look at the figure carefully. Here E2 is less than V2. Okay, so that at leading power factor, as the V2 is greater than E2, so that the voltage regulation is negative. We know that the voltage regulation per unit E2 minus V2 by E2. Here V2 is greater than E2, so that the voltage regulation is negative. Now figure number 2, it is the phasor diagram at zero voltage regulation. Zero voltage regulation occur when E2 equal to V2. That means E2 minus V2 by E2. So as E2 equal to V2, so that the voltage regulation should be 0. First I draw secondary terminal voltage V2. From V2, secondary current I2 lag at an angle theta 2. Okay, as E2 is equal to the V2, now takes the similar arc and draw the E2. Okay, so the condition we know, we discuss about the voltage regulation equation, that is ER cos of theta 2 plus EX sin of theta 2. So that is equal to 0 for zero voltage regulation. Okay, from this we can write that tan of theta 2 is equal to minus epsilon r by epsilon x. Again we know that the epsilon r is equal to I2 Re2 by E2. Epsilon x is I2 x E2 divided by E2. So putting this value in this tan theta equation, the equation should be tan theta 2 equal to minus R E2 divided by X E2. As the tan theta here is negative, so the voltage regulation is 0 at leading power factor. Remember that voltage regulation is 0 at leading power factor, as the tan theta value is negative. Okay, now look at the picture number 2 again. The smallest angle theta 2 now create between XE2 and ZE2. So cos theta 2 is nothing but XE2 divided by ZE2. Okay, therefore zero voltage regulation occur when the load power factor is XE2 by ZE2 leading. Okay, for leading power factor greater value greater than XE2 by ZE2, then the voltage regulation will be negative. Okay, now the condition of maximum voltage regulation. Okay, First, I write the voltage regulation equation, that is epsilon r cos of theta 2 plus epsilon x sine of theta 2. Okay. So maximum condition occur when this equation is derivative with respect to theta 2 and gives zero result. Okay, so that d of d theta 2 into epsilon r cos of theta 2 plus epsilon x sine of theta 2 equal to 0. That time maximum condition occur. Okay, now that should be equal to minus epsilon r sine theta 2 plus epsilon x cos of theta, that is equal to 0. Okay, so now from this equation we can write tan of theta 2 is equal to epsilon x by epsilon r. So that means it is equal to x e2 divided by r e2. Okay, now from the future concept, the cos of theta 2 is equal to r e2 divided by z e2. Okay, so this is the tan theta 2 value and this is the power factor value. Tan theta 2 value is xe2 by re2 and cos theta 2 value is re2 by ze2. Again, remember that as the tan theta 2 value is positive, that means maximum voltage regulation occur in lagging power factor condition, and power factor that time is re2 by ze2. Now what should be the magnitude of maximum voltage regulation? We know the voltage regulation per unit is epsilon r cos theta 2 plus epsilon x sin theta 2. Okay, so epsilon r into cos theta 2 is re2 divided by ze2 plus epsilon x into sine of theta 2, that is xe2 divided by ze2. Okay, now from this equation we can write that is I2 re2 by e2 into re2 ze2 plus I2 xe2 by e2 into xe2 divided by ze2. Okay, now that equation can be again write I2 divided by e2 ze2 and it is r square plus x square. Okay, so this is nothing but z e2 square, so that means I2 z e2 square e2 into z e2. Z2 cancel out, so the magnitude of maximum voltage regulation is nothing but I2 ze2 by e2. So this is ze2 per unit. Remember that this is ze2 per unit. Thus from this equation you can say the maximum voltage regulation of transformer is equal to the value of equivalent leakage impedance. Suppose, for example, equivalent leakage impedance 0.065, then the maximum voltage regulation is 0.065 per unit or 6.5%. Okay, student, these are the equation of zero voltage regulation and condition of zero voltage regulation, and this is the equation for the maximum voltage regulation and condition of maximum voltage regulation. If you have any query and problem, please contact me. Thank you.